Alright guys, so this light here was dead and these weren't on either. So what I did was I popped this out. When you pop this out, you just got to unplug this. There's two prongs here, one here and here. It clips into here and here. So it's very easy. Then there's one screw down here for you to unscrew it, and then you just basically pop it right out. And then there's one plug that comes off with it. And back here has these little light bulbs here that was for the front of the for your lights in the front. And then there's two lights bulbs down here to light these up. And I came to Toyota and then they have it. They're like $7 a piece, but if you go to Amazon, the part number is on here, and this is the part number for those light bulbs. And you can Amazon them too if you don't want to wait. Just come to Toyota, they have it here. But Toyota is like $7 a piece. Amazon, I think it was like $10, and you get a couple of them. But it's very simple, so let's try it now. Snap this on. Make sure it's on. Yep, there you go. So now it works. Snap this back into place. That's basically it. You're done. And it works, see? It's all lit up.